to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. I like whiskey, I love ribs. I'm going to put the two together. I'm going to make some Jimmy Beam's ribs. Right, let's get on with it. First thing I need is a couple of racks of ribs. Just bought these from my local supermarket. Quite easy to do. I'm going to turn these over because we've got this skin or this membrane on the back of the ribs. Now you can remove it. I just find it quick and easy. Give it a quick score with the knife. Just nice and simple like that. And that's just going to help break down that membrane, and it will sort of disintegrate as we cook. We're doing a nice low and slow cook on this particular recipe. So just give that a quick little score in different directions, of course. Try not to cut along the line of the meat. We're going to make up our barbecue sauce. 400 gram of crushed Italian tomatoes straight into a food processor. Blitz until incredibly smooth. Take you around about 20 seconds to do that. And I find this makes a really good little passata. We're going to end up with a really nice sauce all of our own. Put that straight into your slow cooker, just like I've done right there. I'm going to add in some seasoning. I've got 2 teaspoons of coriander and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. I've got half a cup of brown sugar as well. Around about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons worth of Hungarian paprika. That goes in as well. Around about a teaspoon of white pepper and black pepper. They go straight in just like that. It's going to make a really nice sauce. I'm going to add in around about half a teaspoon's worth of allspice. That goes in. And around about 2 teaspoons worth of ginger powder or ground ginger. Around about 2 tablespoons worth of garlic powder and about 3 tablespoons worth of onion powder. Around about 3 tablespoons of Worcester sauce or Worcestershire sauce. That goes straight in. I'm going to give this a little bit of a mix up just like that. How simple is this so far? 1 can of Jim Beam and Cola premix, just bought from your local bottle-o, as we call it here in Australia. Put that straight in. Give that a quick little mix, nothing too serious, just like that, and we're just about ready to get happening. We're going to put our racks of ribs straight in. I'm going to put them in whole, and I'll cut them in half once they are cooked. Right, so put those straight into your slow cooker, just like that. Put the lid on, of course, in like that. I'm going to plug it in, turn it on, set it to low, and I'm going to leave that initially for 2 hours. Alright, so just walk away, do something else. 2 hours later, I'm going to come back. Be very careful of that lid, it will be hot. Remove that lid, turn those ribs over, and we're going to flip them straight so they cook on the other side. We don't need to really cook the ribs in the sauce. It will add flavour to your ribs. We're going to do something a little bit different with all that liquid. Put that lid on and cook it for another 2 hours. Alright, 4 hours in total later, all we're going to do is remove those ribs. I'm going to put those into a little cooking vessel like that with a lid. It's going to keep those a little bit warm. I'm going to remove that liquid from that slow cooker, put that into a saucepan, turn that onto a medium sort of heat, and we're going to reduce that down nice and slow. Very, very simple. It's going to make a great sauce. We're going to add in around about 1/3 of a cup of honey and apple cider vinegar. Didn't get that on film, I'm sorry. Stir from time to time. Keep an eye on it. It will turn very, very quickly towards the end, but when we're done, it's going to make this amazing glaze. We've got our barbecue on, nice high heat. We're going to glaze those ribs up, and we're just going to sear these off for around about 5 minutes aside, if that. So just brush on your beautiful sauce that we've just made, put those onto the heat, and it's going to make everything nice and sticky, and the ribs have already got that flavour of that marinade in there. This sauce is just going to add another level. Turn those over, give them another good basting of your beautiful sauce that we've just created, and before you know it, it's going to be done. So just keep lathering that sauce on, give it a turn. As I said, we're going to cook this for around about 10 minutes in total. We just want a bit of heat, we want a little bit of char, and we want to caramelise that sauce, or that marinade up just that little bit. Just turn, baste, and continue. Repeat. Okay, so very, very simple. Meanwhile, Make sure you've got all your sides ready to go. I'm going to go with something pretty nice and basic, something really yummy as well. Okay, I'm just going to serve that up with a few fries. I'm going to serve that up also. Look at the way that bone comes straight out of that meat. How tender is that? No knife required. Just going to serve that up with a few crinkles, a little bit of corn, maybe a couple of onion rings, and before you know it, we're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something incredibly tasty, incredibly easy, a nice weekend meal like this. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to these amazing Jimmy's ribs, and I will catch you next time. Bye!